my life I've been searching. All my life I've been uncertain. I've been abandoned and left alone. At 15 I had to leave home. The black sheep, the bad seed. I had a roadside bar in Tennessee. I met an angel to rescue me. She rescued me. She wore blue jeans and a rosary. Believed in God and believed in me. All her friends think she's a little crazy. She wears a smile, heart on her sleeve, but don't give a damn what the world thinks of me. She tells me it's all good. She's happy with a bad seed, happy to be misunderstood. Well, 2 packs and a pint a day to hide the shame and wash away the pain. Oh, the pain. Every road was a dead-end street. We're running from the law and running on empty. You couldn't shake the marks that were left on me. At a roadside bar in Tennessee, I met an angel to rescue me. She rescued me. She wore blue jeans and a rosary. Believed in God and believed in me. All her friends think she's a little crazy. She wears a smile, heart on her sleeve, but don't give a damn what the world thinks of me. She tells me it's all good. She's happy with a bad seed, happy to be misunderstood. She wore blue jeans and a rosary. Believed in God and believed in me. All her friends think she's a little crazy. She wears a smile, heart on her sleeve, but don't give a damn what the world thinks of me. She tells me it's all good. She's happy with a bad seed. She's happy to be misunderstood. Misunderstood. Misunderstood.
Remember those walls I built? Well, baby, they're tumbling down. And they didn't even put up a fight. They didn't even make a sound. I found a way to let you in, but I never really had a doubt. halo. I got my angel now. It's like I've been awakened. Every rule I had you breaking. It's the risk that I'm taking.